day, everyone. Hello, kids. Do you want to go to the outer space? Well, since we don't have our own spaceship for now, let us have this alternative. Bear with me and fasten your seatbelt, and we'll see to the wonder of the space. Okay, now let's talk about the solar system. Let's talk about its definition and the members of the solar system, the sun, the planets, and the other members of it. The solar system consists of the sun and the astronomical objects gravitationally bound in orbit around it. Solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit our sun. It also consists of moons, comets, asteroids, minor planets, dust, and gas. Now, let's talk about the center of the solar system, which is the sun. It is a star which is at the center of our solar system. It is almost perfectly spherical and consists of hot plasma interwoven with magnetic fields. Now the inner planets, which consist of the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The inner planet or the terrestrial planets have dense, rocky compositions, few or no moons, and no ring system. The first planet, the Mercury. The Mercury is the planet nearest to the Sun. It is the smallest and the fastest planet. Mercury is the fastest moving planet in our solar system. It is also called the morning star. The surface of Mercury consists of cratered terrain and smooth plains, and many deep craters similar to those of the Moon. The plant and animal life of the Earth could not live on Mercury because of the lack of oxygen and intense heat. Scientists doubt that the planet has any form of life. Now the next planet is the Venus. It is the brightest heavenly body aside from the Sun. It is also the hottest. Venus is also called the evening star because after the Moon, it is the brightest natural object in the night sky, bright enough to cast shadows. And now, here we come, our planet, the planet Earth. It is the only planet known to have life. The planet is home to millions of species, including humans. The physical properties of the Earth, as well as the geological history and orbit, have allowed to life to persist during this period. The planet is expected to continue supporting life for another 500 million to 2.3 billion of years. Earth is often called the water planet because it is the only planet in our solar system which has liquid water on its surface. About 70% of the surface of the Earth is covered by water. The other part of the Earth is made up of continents and islands. Earth has one satellite, and this is what we call the Moon. Now let's the planet Mars. It is cold and dry. It is red in color. It is often described as the red planet. Why? It is because the iron oxide prevalent on its surface give it a reddish appearance. Mars also has two tiny natural satellites. Okay, now let's go to our outer planets, the gas giants. These are the Jupiter, the Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All four giants have rings, so only Saturn's ring system is easily observed from the Earth. Okay, Jupiter. This is the largest planet. It is composed largely of hydrogen and helium. It has a great red spot, which can be seen there. This is the storm. It is like a giant hurricane, and it is the biggest star in the solar system. Jupiter has 63 satellites. And this planet is what we call the Saturn. It has the most spectacular set of rings in the solar system. Saturn has a ring system that consists of 9 continuous main rings and 3 discontinuous arcs, composed mostly of ice particles with a smaller amount of rocky debris and dust. Saturn has 62 satellites. Now, let's have the rich planet, the Uranus. It is the coldest planetary atmosphere in the solar system because it has the minimum temperature of 49 Kelvin or negative 224 degrees Celsius. Uranus has 27 satellites. Our next planet is Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. It has 13 satellites. Neptune's atmosphere is notable for its active and visible weather patterns. Atmosphere is one of the coldest places in the solar system, with temperatures at its cloud tops approaching negative 280 degrees Celsius. Now let's talk about the other members of the solar system. The asteroids. Asteroids are rocky and metallic objects. They are too small to be considered as planets. Asteroids are material left over the formation of the solar system. Most, however, are contained within a main belt exists between the orbit of the Mars and the Jupiter. The next member of the solar system are the comets. Comets are small, fragile, irregularly shaped bodies composed of a mixture of non-volatile grains and frozen gases. When a comet enters the inner solar system, its proximity to the Sun causes its icy surface to sublimate and ionize, creating a coma, and this is what we call coma, a long tail of gas and dust often visible to the naked eye. And that's all about the solar system. Hope you enjoyed and you've got something from me. Thank you and have a good day.